Quick video on the Milwaukee Fuel Stubby Impact boot. This is their new Stubby Impact with 4 amp hour battery, and the boot I think is $22 on Amazon. If you want to protect your tool, this boot is a really nice addition to the Stubby Impact. Place an Amazon link at the description for the boot, also for the impact kit. Oops, over there. There you go. Boot makes it really nice. Keeps it clean from grease and stuff. Really nice addition to an already nice impact. Same boot, fits 3/8 and 1/2. If you're wondering what the Milwaukee boot looks like, this is what it looks like. Let's see if we can get one with the light on. There you go. There you go.
But that's a couple of thousand, and we don't have that much funds. Like, we're gonna clean this